Hey, this is Elias with the Oxygen team, and in this video, I will show you how to connect your AI agent to WordPress and to Oxygen. Let's get started by going to Oxygen and Settings, and then we're going to click on the Agents and MCP tab. Then we're going to install the agent connector. Now, the agent connector is a separate plugin that is going to allow your coding agent. It doesn't matter if it's Claude, Cursor, Codex, OpenCloud, whatever you're using, as long as it supports connections via MCP, is going to be able to connect to WordPress and to Oxygen using this plugin. Now, once this is active, we're going to click on Connect, and you're going to see a new menu item right here called Agent Connector. Next up, I suggest that you go here to Settings and make sure that this toggle is enabled. This is what's going to allow your AI agent to connect to WordPress. Now, next up, you should install this Universal Abilities plugin. Now, this plugin is going to give your agent additional powers, such as running PHP eval, running shell commands, WP CLI, and do other fun stuff. Now, once you click here, you can read all of this so you understand what it does, and then install and activate. Once this is active, you can check these other protection settings, and then you can, of course, enable login for the MCP events. I'm going to leave all of that as it is, and then I'm going to just jump here in the Connect tab and click on Get Started. Now, depending on the time when you're watching this, there might be other options available here. Just select the agent that you're using. If you don't see it listed here, just click on Other and follow the universal steps. Now, I'm using Claude Code CLI, which is the terminal version of Claude Code. So I'm going to select that one and click on Continue. Now, next up, we need an application password. Now, Agent Connector is going to handle this for us. So all we need to do is just click on Generate App Password. Once it's generated, if you want to see it and maybe store it somewhere safe, you can click on this right here that says Show Password and then copy it. Now, then you need to follow the steps right here, which will vary a little bit depending on the coding agent that you're using. But they're very straightforward. If you have some other questions about how to connect it for Codex, or maybe you're using some other agent that's not listed there, there is instruction videos for each. Right, so in my case, I'm just gonna copy this and then I'm gonna jump in my terminal. Now, if you're on Mac, you can press Command Space and type in terminal, and you're gonna see it there. I have it opened right here, so I'm just gonna paste my command and hit Enter. And just like that, my AI agent is gonna be able to connect to WordPress. So I'm gonna open that, type in Cloud, and trust this folder, and ask, hey, are you connected to my site via MCP? And let's see what it says. I'm gonna hit Shift Tab a couple of times so we enter in auto mode, and Cloud isn't asking us all sorts of questions every 2 seconds. And it says it's connected. So that's awesome. Now, once we're connected, that means that Cloud has access to all of our site to see, read, delete, modify every page, post, whatever you can do here on your site. Cloud can do it. So once we have that, let's just take it for a spin and ask it to build us a page using Oxygen. Build me a landing page for a street burger food truck in any city, California. Use a retro American uh, design style, a bold retro American design style, and stock photography. This is a fictional um, burger, whatever. Let's see what it does with this prompt. I'm going to pause the video here, and then I'm going to come back once it's done, and we're going to see what it does. All right, so Plot says it's done. It says it created a sticky nab, some heroes, scrolling marquee ticker. This should be nice. Goods menu. All right. All of this looks great. So let's just jump into WordPress. Let's go to pages. Oh, here it is. Let's see it. Oh, wait. This looks nice. All right. So it has some animations too. This is great. I love it. I really love the borders and the box shadow. This is a box shadow. I think it's a box shadow. Uh, yeah, this looks actually great. I love this design. This is awesome. Let's just see how it looks here in Oxygen. And all right, we have here all of our settings and all of our elements. All of this looks great with all of the classes, all of the variables. This is great. I'm guessing that if we change this, it's gonna change everywhere. Yeah, it does. This is awesome, guys. It looks really good. We have all of our, let's discard this. We have all of our selectors and whatnot. And overall, I think this looks awesome. Let's see. The responsive looks amazing as well. So there you have it. This is how you connect your AI agent to WordPress and to Oxygen. So hope you like this video and see you next time.